Welcome to Legacy Cars. Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Chevrolet Tahoe. This 4-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee. Ask to see the free CARFAX vehicle history report. Key features include automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, power door locks, stability control, traction control, OnStar, and Bluetooth.